Well, it's not the Taj Mahal, but it's the garage. But he can jump up there and still go into his cage for food and water. But he doesn't prefer that now. He prefers being on the floor now and rubbing up against us. And he even jumps in the car. That's splatter from his snot all over the side of the car. But anyway, it's kind of crowded in here right now. Where are you? But that's Mr. Sniffles. They said, oh, he's a feral. There's no way to medicate a sick feral, they said. He's probably got cancer. You should just humanely euthanize him, they said. We knew better, didn't we? Okay. I have to put the phone down now so I can pet this boy. There he goes. Let me get you in focus. There. Look who's no longer afraid of feet. Come on down. Come on down. Look. Look. Look who is now sleeping in a bed. Yeah. Hi. Hi, handsome. We're gonna get dizzy. We're gonna get dizzy. Yeah, he's still sniffling and snorting and still has the infection up in his sinuses. And Dr. Hart says he may always have this condition because so much damage has been done, you know, up here in his sinuses, having such a severe infection. And I'm still treating him for his ear infections too, so everything's connected. But that's the latest update on this boy. He's now preferring to be out of the cage. Yeah, he has free reign of the garage, which, you know, isn't great, but, and see all the splatter on the car. That's what happens when he sneezes, and it's on the garage door too, if you can see it. But we're making progress, right? My lovely pink Crocs. Okay. So long for now. I have to put the phone down now so I can pet him. You're snorting. You sound like a piglet.